line extension, new size for crystal round pearl. The new Crystal Pearl 2mm size answers the growing demand for a more tactile design experience and the need for tiny embellishments in filigree jewelry and embroidery. Use it to create gradient textures by mixing and matching with different sizes. It's especially suited to seed beading around statement fancy stones or for embroidering delicate borders. Choose from over 50 colors and effects, more than any other 2mm crystal pearl on the market. Color and design consistency with the rest of the Swarovski Crystal Pearl assortment is guaranteed, and you can be certain that the quality is second to none. For example, Swarovski Crystal Pearls are unique in passing all perfume, perspiration, and UV tests.